On the Coast to Coast walk the day before last, and I am heading to Elkton Bridge from Claytop Bank. I am not. I am heading from Ecton Bridge. I'm heading to Ecton Bridge from Claytop Bank, and it is an absolutely beautiful day. Now, when you're doing this, there is a steep climb at the beginning, but then we're actually going to be on an old railroad path for a while. And the good thing about railroad paths is they usually don't have a lot of grade to them. I don't know if this is prehistoric or medieval or modern, but there are boundary markers along this ridge. And this one right here has a face carved into it. This railroad bed is straight and flat through here, which makes for some really easy walking, but still magnificent views both ways. Just past Fat Betty, and we're to the stone monument here, and tradition has that you leave a snack and you take a snack, but we have pretty thin offerings here. We've got some bisque that looks like it's been sun dried for a while. We got a piece of potato with ants all over it and some body lotion, so I'm gonna pass. I know this is day number 12 of this coast to coast walk, but these views never get old. Somebody's gone and got their bike up a telephone pole. I haven't seen a ton of just huge trees, but I don't know what this thing is, but it's massive for, well, look right there, there's another one. Apparently, there you go, here are the 3 largest trees on the coast to coast walk. We're at Ecton Bridge, and there's one final thing. We got to get across these stepping stones. Now, I can't lie to you, I did not use the stepping stones. I went a little further up and found this very fine bridge right here and went across myself. 17 and a half more miles to go. I'll see you at the coast tomorrow.